the plant that you plant. Whether you kill the weeds, whether you are killing the insects, in one way or another, those chemicals will go to the soil. Those chemicals will destroy the biological life of the soil. Those chemicals also get assimilated into the plants. Who is going to eat those plants? It is you. Yeah, in my village, sometimes the villagers, they use a lot of course the pesticides and the chemicals, but they don't eat food from their own garden. So they buy food from another garden, but of course they don't know how even the guy they are buying from, how they prepared that garden. That's the challenge. So you see, especially for business, farmers sometimes can be very, you know, greedy. So they use chemicals much in order to make a big profit. But actually for this time, we don't need all of that. Because when we kill people with the chemicals, we also kill ourselves. Because if we kill them, who's going to buy? You see? But through natural farming, a new system of farming has come, whereby people can farm without chemicals. And this is the first step in making your own fertilizer. What did we do here? There is what is called indigenous microorganism. The white, when you go to a forest, there is the fallen leaves that have fallen for a long time. Beneath them or under them, there is a white stuff. Kuna kitu nyeupe wanga imemea pale. Those are called the microorganisms. Those are the ones we multiply up to level 4. IMO 1, IMO 2, IMO 3, IMO 4. You can now, IMO 1 cannot be used, IMO 2 cannot be used, IMO 3 cannot be used, but IMO 4 can be used in that order. So IMO 4, if you have, like, for example, if you have like 1 kilogram of IMO 4, you can dilute with 1,000 liters of water. Wow. So you can even make your own fertilizer, which you can use for 1 whole year. Wow. You don't need to go to the shop, and it is not expensive. Now here, we boiled the rice. We boiled the rice, and then we put the rice in a lunch box, as you are going to see. I think, Reverend, we can start?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Okay, and then we buried it here. This is what I went to learn there. And this is what I did. I did this about like 2 times with the professors. Okay. So right now we are going to open and see the IMO 1. Here it is. Smell it. It smells like cake. Yeah. Exactly. It is not rotten. Sio kitu imeoza. Yeah, you can taste.
Fermented.
It is fermented. This is called IMO. Nukia inuki vibaya. It's not smelling bad.
Fermented, yeah.
Nukia. This is called IMO, and it hates the sun very much.
Okay.
So we have to protect them from the sun. This is what is called IMO. IMO 1. IMO 1. Actually, it smells like.
Oh, sorry.
Seriously, it is not rotten. Yeast.
All right.
This is like alcohol.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But there is a way when you store this somehow, it can become rotten. So we need now to take this and to measure the amount. This is now IMO 1. Now we want to improve it to level IMO 2. Now, it smells like this even in Korea. Yeah.
No.
So this is especially the color.
Level, we go success now.
Exactly. Because this is indigenous microorganism. This white stuff, of course, they visited inside here. And when they visited inside, yeah. Yeah. You see there is moisture.
What will happen if they get sun?
They die.
Die. This is hate.
They die. Reverend, you have to put your hand inside here.
It's very hot, Reverend.
It's not hot. It's okay. This is the rice you boiled. Please just do this. I want you to do this. Just do that. Kindly. Don't fear. Do it.
No, I don't want to make dirty.
No, your hand.
This one.
Okay. Oh, for picture.
Yeah, for picture.
Okay, then take the photo. You can see
Oh,
the moisture.
It's hot.
Yeah, it is not very hot.
Look like a compass.
Yeah. Of course, it is multiplication of bacteria.
Now that's IMO is alive.
These are alive.
This is something is
Anthony,
Yes.
it's more like mold, but molds are germs.
Molds are germs, and mold grow in the open air.
Open air. That's the difference.
Yeah. So these have grown inside a hidden place.
Green one is not terrible.
Yes.
Green one is not terrible.
Yes.
I know that.
So we need to measure this. When you see that this is our indigenous microorganism. We measure, we see how big it is. Yeah. Hang pahali, Devi. Here. Hang pahali. Tuone ni kilo ngapi. We set it. Okay now? Now check it. We are measuring the weight.
For cold way.
Yeah, in order, because IMO we have to measure ratio of 1 to 1 with sugar. And 1.5.
In one.
1.5.
1.5.
Umeona, because 1, this is half. 1, half. That is true. 1.5. So then we have excess sugar. Because now we already have our. You see, there is smoke. Can somebody record where we are putting this? Photo. Photo. Yeah.
Little bit warm.
술 담는 것도 술. It's like to make
Pali. Hata kama ni kukata basi kata pasi kufungua. Kata hapa juu kwa sababu nusu itatumika.
When we iterera, ni ode onyitera.
This is brown sugar.
That's all.
So now we are making IMO 4. IMO 2.
IMO 1.5.
1.5 rice. Now 1.5 sugar. Ratio
the same
1 to 1.
weight.
Yes.
Then half.
Yeah.
exactly.
That is the half.
Where is the black leather? Where is that black leather?
The black?
Yeah, you can put it in
Oh, there are.
So it doesn't-
Tamwagika.
just to hold it. Yeah.
Okay, now. Okay, check half, whether it is half.
Hello.
Wait a minute. Now check.
Sawa. Sawa.
Pour all of it.
Oh, hallelujah.
Yeah,
I know
now
how
we
to
have mix.
mix.
This is IMO 2 now we are making.
Now historical time this time.
Yeah, please. The pastor, this is what the pastor was doing. Pastor Park.
Oyo ni kunyito eno ni johi. Unaole. Ni johi.
And Zamani. Yeah. Okay, show it.
Sasa ina record.
And then please, can you take my picture? And then the pastor, I know, will smile very much when he sees what his student was doing. Okay, IMO 2 now. We are preparing.
Mwambie na Kikorea.
IMO 2 mandulgo isoyo. It is okay now. Now watch carefully how we do it. Watch carefully now how we do it. Now we need to cover the top. We need to cover the top now.
Hii usikanyange.
The sugar that you must be brown
Oh,
sugar, or you can
brown
use
sugar.
not
You
white
can't
sugar.
use white.
IMO.
Yes.
1 is fixing the nitrogen.
Yes.
2 is improving soil texture.
Okay.
IMO, do you see this kind of soil? This soil, the soil here is very hard. It is
Yes.
it is alkaline.
Yes.
But when you have IMO, this IMO will break down the soil very much. This IMO.
And increase the pH.
It will become very soft.
Where are you going to put this?
In the store, what?
He explained it now. They look for this thing.
All
Okay,
those
you
white
can. I tell him to explain more to it.
See, you know those things are attached to the leaf. to the rotten leaf. Break the kit along with the leaves.
You want him to explain once more, he will.
Wanafunguaje?
Hapo ndani. Kuna jamaa ama
Just like that. Now that's it. We shall come back
sasa
here after.
hii level ni 1 tu.
So it will become IMO 2 after 7 or 10 days.
Kwa hiyo bado tuko 1.
Sasa already
Process ya 2.
we have also missionary Peter Kigodo. You can pray for the students.
Yes.
You are not here.
No, yeah, let